Nothing special, so everybody know Callaloo, perhaps. No matter, some of them maybe don't know it. And everybody's supposed to know this.
Well, everyone will know soon enough if they don't.
Yeah, so this name Callaloo.
And I see you got a really good one because there's not many holes in it from the worms. It looks pretty good compared to ones I've seen that are sometimes just full of holes.
That one there and I like Callaloo, but it's a work, you know.
Yeah, it looks like it. How long you been going for? Enough time.
Oh, that's that.
So what next time now gonna win?
Last night was wicked at a dead yard.
They sound powerful, man.
Huge sound.
Yeah, man, you hear it down here play, you know.
You could hear it all the way here.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it was a half an hour walk away. It was wicked.
Think about English, American, or Canadian here. Come on, Jamaica. Land of girls and water. What's my white brother now? I can dance, man. Yeah, to the people. And we get that. What's up, buddy girl? I mean, wanna go?
Shauna, where did you disappear to though?
Huh?
We saw you and then you disappeared.
Oh, why can't this up?
Another time to blood. Yeah.
Those DJs were wicked too. They played
One
all
of them.
old
One of them
school.
a bad one.
One of them's a bad one?
Yeah.
Which one?
The second one no good.
Really? I thought they were all good.
No, it's second DJ.
I like the guy just dancing, not doing nothing, but he knew every single song, every word, rocking out. That guy ruled.
Man, you gonna follow me back down there. Tell me what. Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning.
That is a big bowl, sir. Full bowl.
Man, we are doing this here now.
So, yo, what style are you gonna do Callaloo today? Steamed? How did I know?
Maybe me steam and do the garlic oil, you know. Vegetable. Maybe 2 slices of bread and chicken. Yeah, man.
Tony Rebel style.
Yeah, fresh vegetable. That's what I eat for another day.
Wow, it all fit in the pan. I thought, no way.
Yeah, man, this is a matter. Where you sitting up, so?
Hmm?
Like how you sitting up, so?
Yeah.
You go down, swing your fork.
Hmm.
You're not going to see the big amount.
Alright.
You're not have to beg people nothing. So yesterday we did have the camera right there at Morant Bay. Just had a talking, looking what nice girl. Where we meet there, so ain't that?
Oh yeah, totally.
Hey, the blood clot, the whole heap of them. Whole heap of them, Matthew. In Jamaica, enough woman, who want enough more man to rise. Everywhere you turn, you see women, you know? Some gone to prison, some man dead, some gone to prison. What's that? Like that, brother?
Yeah, we met enough nice people yesterday.
Yes, sir.
It was cool.
Yes, sir. And doing the fuckery, so I'm doing this, so I'm doing like a fuckery.
Sit down, man, you're not here, sit down. Go sit down. Go on back out, that's how you do.
2 types of time. Again.
I see one, you know.
Oh, it's just dryer.
It's dry.
Okay. I thought it was a different brand. Brand, not brand.
Too tight.
Is your hook point machete here? It broke. Oh shit! Finally. You've had that one for a long time though. No?
About 2 years.
That's it.
But the soon don't know, because after I go down there a little bit, I imagine you put it a new one again, you know.
How much is a good machete?
Maybe 500.
That's it?
Jamaican dollar.
That's amazing that's cheap. Nice cutlass made out of metal, but for a plastic chair you're paying like 2,000.
The machete, have a plan food. The chair we sit down in now. It's more expensive.
That's what I'm saying. It's worth a lot more, I think.
Oh, the machete there.
A lot more versatile.
Yeah, it's worth a lot more and they take a lot of life, you know?
Yeah.
Man, they say, oh, sharp up in machete and oh, it's a $500 going to kill him bumbo clot now, yeah? And go on, they didn't go fuck free. No, me look on you. When I look on you, we want to go chop off in blood clot food. Once I know me, I fuck up. You know, respond to you. So, let me know you go put me first kill, but me can't know. Me first cut off your blood clot so that me not threaten you, you know, because at night anything can happen, you know, my brother.
Okay.
Then them come pan you, you know.
There's our favorite little tomato. Ratty's getting into all sorts of trouble today. And yesterday.
Why? Come show up the machete, you know. Somebody I got blood clot ball out there this morning. Cause you're mad, Puppy mad, you're mad. So what is going on out there this morning? I losing a blood clot like. When I show up the machete, boy? Daddy mad, mama mad. The boy mind to stay there and bring something in and match up the man and something, you know. Oh.
Koopy, where are you going?
Oh, chop bush.
Alright. We'll see you in a couple days.
Alright.
Move on against me, man.
Not it, but this.
Can't believe that. I'm out of Callaloo, man.
Magical spice. I think we should make our own brand, a Mokko brand spice mix to sell. I think that'd be fucking awesome in the store. Yeah.
Yeah, more different than this.
Oh, onion scallion. What'd you drop in?
No fly drop in the kite too.
No thanks.
And then we go drink it kite dark.
No
fly
fly.
black.
No lizards either.
time.
Callaloo and kid and on time.
Umbrella.
A classic steamed Callaloo, yeah.
Yeah, man.
And the thing that I'm really appreciating this morning is the Blue Mountain coffee because Brody and I went to a dead yard last night with Shauna and Mindy and Koopy, and we were up pretty late. So this is making me feel alive again. So, How is it, Rat?
Right.
Nice. Did you have the Callaloo yet, even, or are you just having bread? Yeah, we got enough bread for carbs because we're gonna go hike today. So.
I eat, man.
Yeah. Thoughts? Callaloo's excellent. It kind of reminds me of spinach, but not as bitter. Not as bitter. It's got more of a sweetness to it. And the stalk parts are nice. Like they're not too soft. There's a bit of like firmness in them too.
Okra.
Yeah.
Okra in there.
And okra in the mix as well. So I'm feeling it, and definitely Ital for all you people that don't eat meat.
And $900 for one of my Ital food, you know.
Wow.
$900. It's not no eat Ital, brother. You get fucked. Yeah, tell them, you know.
Ital's not cheap.
No, sir.
So, you want to stay Ital?
Remember, when I did $900 for it, oh.
Pay to play.
Right there. If you want me to cook Ital, and time I cook it down, they pay me $900. When you go to market, we buy this, we buy that. We don't.
Pricey.
Yeah, like that is, yeah, but it's expensive.
Same as at home. You buy an organic in the store.
Yes, master.
You're paying a premium, right?
Come to Rasta Kitchen and get the best Callaloo, you know. With skill and season and time and everything, you know. And okra and all them things, you know. Yeah, 1 year and time. I'm do a raw, everything, you know. I tell shot. So you know about that things you may go get every day and eat pure blood green bush. It not gonna work. Man,
Enjoy your life.
Man, your body a run down sometime. If you want little protein, you want a bit of fish. So me that me a one-way man, you know. Me a one-way man, you know. Me love Ital. Me love this. But can't mind that.